Protect your home and loved ones with the best outdoor security systems. From smart cameras to motion sensors and alarms, these systems offer reliable surveillance, real-time alerts, and peace of mind, keeping your property safe day and night. Starting at number 1, Arlo Ultra 2. Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight Camera 4K HDR 2 cameras, smart hub included and required, is a premium wireless outdoor home security camera system built to help you monitor your property day and night. It delivers 4K HDR video quality and an ultra-wide 8-degree field of view, so you can see more of what's happening outside your home, while features like color night vision, motion detection, and two-way audio let you stay informed and connected from anywhere with your phone. The included smart hub is required to operate the cameras and enables local storage and connectivity. Number 2. Ring Floodlight Camera. Ring Floodlight Camera. Motion-activated HD security cam, black. Outdoor security camera is a powerful all-in-one solution that combines motion-activated LED floodlights with a 1080p HD security camera, helping you monitor and protect your home's exterior day and night. It delivers real-time motion alerts, two-way talk, and a remote-activated siren so you can see, hear, and speak to visitors right from your smartphone via the Ring app. Plus, it works with Alexa, allowing you to view live video and receive announcements on Echo and Fire TV devices when motion is detected. Number 3. eufyCam 2 Pro. eufySecurity eufyCam 2 Pro Wireless Home Security Camera System 2Cam Kit is a durable, subscription-free outdoor surveillance solution that delivers crisp 2K video resolution, up to 365-day battery life, and IP67 weatherproofing for reliable year-round protection. It features wire-free installation, advanced night vision, two-way audio, and smart alerts with optional Apple HomeKit, Alexa, or Google Assistant integration, making it a versatile choice for monitoring your property without monthly fees. Number 4. Ring Stick-Up Cam. Ring Stick-Up Cam Plug-in. Outdoor Security Camera is a versatile, weather-resistant outdoor security camera that helps you keep an eye on your property with clear video and smart features. It provides 1080p HD live view with color night vision, advanced motion detection with alerts, and two-way talk so you can see, hear, and speak to visitors right from your phone via the Ring app. The camera is powered through a plug-in adapter, works seamlessly with Alexa voice control, and can be mounted almost anywhere outside thanks to its adjustable base and weatherproof design. Number 5. Google NC2400ES Nest Cam. Google Nest Cam Outdoor Security Camera 2-pack model NC2400ES is a wired outdoor home security camera system that helps you watch over your property with reliable high-definition video and smart alerts. Each camera captures 1080p Full HD video at 30 FPS with a wide 130-degree field of view and night vision using infrared LEDs, so you can see activity day and night. The system connects via Wi-Fi, sends motion and sound alerts to your phone, and supports two-way talk through the Nest app, letting you communicate with visitors from anywhere. These weather-resistant cameras are ideal for driveway, backyard, and entrance monitoring.